Hello everyone! Today I want to show you one more review of a finished item. One of the customers ordered this dress in my fashion house. This is a very complicated evening dress. It's very expensive. We've used about 10 meters of fabric to make it. About 6 meters of chiffon and 4 meters of silk. Now I want to show you how it was made. Let's have a look at the skirt first. The waistline is pretty high. This is a circle skirt. It was made of chiffon and there's a slit on the front. This side is attached to an underskirt. Have a look at it. This is the slit. The underskirt was made of silk. It's half circle. There's also a slit in it. The skirts are stitched together in this point. Of course, chiffon wasn't stitched with an overlock. This is a French seam. Have a close look at the details. I want you to understand that even though this dress is very complicated, having a basic pattern, you'll be able to make it. I've already showed you how to work with the mock-up. Make it first, try it on, and draw all the modeling lines on it. This dress will fit the body perfectly. There's a bra stitched inside. The upper part is pretty simple. Gather chiffon and attach it in such a way that it looks beautifully. You can see that there is also a bow on the back. All the details were edged with a baby hem. Bow, bottom, slit. The dress is amazing. I think I'll wear such dress to an Oscar party. The dress is absolutely gorgeous. Such dresses are made for the very special events. Now I want you to have a close look at the details. Have a look at the wrong side. The bra is hidden inside. The waistband looks very good. Have a look at the zipper. We've made a silk bias binding to edge the zipper. First we've edged the end, and then the sides. It's edged from the point where the yoke ends. I want you to have a close look at the zipper once again. It's covered by the waistband here, and then it's edged with the silk bias binding. You should always hide the edges of the zippers in the high quality items. This is how the dress looks like from the back. Everything is perfect. Notice that all the edges are hidden. Have a look here. This detail was glued in order to attach 4 seams to each other. I remind you that all the edges were processed with a baby hem. Here you can see a bra which is hidden inside. It's covered by draping. The draping turns into a bow. We've made this fold to make a bigger bow. The shoulder should be narrow. These details were steamed. Now I'll turn the dress right side out. Now you know how this dress was made. I know that it's very complicated, but don't be afraid of such complicated designs. Remember that practice makes perfect. You should learn how to work with chiffon. This dress is absolutely amazing. The skirts are beautiful due to the fact that they are very wide. Today I've showed you an amazing evening dress. I want you to understand that you shouldn't be afraid of complicated designs. If you practice, you'll be able to sew anything you want. The thing is that there's just small layers of fabric in this item. The most complicated thing in this dress is the bottom. It's very hard to make it straight. You should do it when a dress is on a person. Put marks with the help of a ruler and a piece of chalk and then cut the bottom. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.